3:47 a.m. Mission Control receives a single order. Authorization code confirmed. Target, not Earth. Target, 384,400 kilometers away. We're about to nuke the moon. Not clickbait. Not a thought experiment. Scientists have actually run these numbers, and the real answer is stranger than the explosion itself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what would happen to the moon's surface, its orbit, and whether you could even see it happen from your backyard. But first, we need to talk about how big actually is. In 1961, the Soviet Union detonated the most powerful weapon humans have ever built. The Tsar Bomba. 50 megatons. That's over 3,300 times more powerful than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The fireball alone was 5 miles wide. The shockwave circled the Earth 3 times. So naturally, the question becomes, what if we pointed something like that at the moon instead of at our own planet? Here's where it gets interesting, because the moon isn't just a rock floating in empty space. It has mass. It has gravity. It has a surface built from billions of years of impacts already. And a nuclear weapon behaves completely differently in a vacuum than it does here on Earth. No atmosphere means no shockwave the way you're picturing it. No mushroom cloud. No sound at all, actually, because sound needs air to travel, and the moon doesn't have any. So if there's no explosion the way Hollywood shows it, what actually happens? Let's break down the physics.